Yeah, I think she went in with these. Let's look. Would you prefer generic or express? Obviously, I prefer express, so yeah, might as well take a ride in. So strange why the buttons are here, but then right over here, it's kind of. Oh yeah, let's go 13. It's not 12. Here's if you speak express, obviously. Oh yeah, we'll stop at 1 as well. Let's quickly switch to additional logic. Basement soft. Oh, we can go to 1. Yeah, I'll stop it when I look at the veranda view. Unless that floor's abandoned. Oh, it's the... Yeah, this is the veranda view, you'll get it. Yeah, those, proof that those used to be express. Let's go down. See, even express charm. Grounds. 1 floor. That's how it goes between 1 floor. And 5 seconds. It's actually kind of interesting, and that is it.